Hello students, welcome to today's class, and today we are going to discuss a very important concept from the chapter geometry, and it is your relation between medians and hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. What is a right angle triangle? If one of the three angles in a triangle is exactly 90 degree, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. Or in other words, we can say if the square of largest side of a triangle is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides of the same triangle, then the triangle will also be a right angle triangle. And this relation between the three sides is known as Pythagoras theorem. So as you can see, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Why? Because angle B is your 90 degree. B is right angle triangle. B is right angle, and the side in front of the right angle is your hypotenuse. So AC will be my hypotenuse of triangle ABC. AD and C are medians. So D will be the midpoint of BC and E will be the midpoint of AB. I have to establish a relation between ADCE and AC. How I will do that? I will take the help of Pythagoras theorem. As you can see, there are three right angle triangles. One triangle ABD, second is your triangle BEC, and third the largest triangle ABC. So first I am going to apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD. Can you see triangle ABD? This is your triangle ABD, in which angle B is 90, so AD will be the hypotenuse. So AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. Since AD is the median, D is the midpoint, so I can write BD is equal to CD is equal to BC upon 2. BD and CD will be equal in length and it will be half of BC. So I will write AD as AD square, AB as AB, but I will change BD. I will write BD in terms of BC. I can write BD as BC upon 2. So if I will solve this, I will get AD square is equal to AB square plus BC square upon 4. Take the LCM and you will get AD square is equal to 4 times AB square plus BC square upon 4. Multiply this 4 with AD. So you will get 4 times AD square is equal to 4 times AB square plus BC square. This is my equation number 1. So I applied Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD. I get a relation between AD, AB and BC, which is 4 times AD square is equal to 4 times AB square plus BC square. The same I am going to do in right angle triangle BEC. So if I apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle BEC, I will get triangle BEC C square is equal to BC square plus B square. Again, C is your median, so E will be the midpoint. I can write AE is equal to BE. The length of AE and BE will be equal and it will be half of AB, right? So C will be C, BC will be BC, and I can write B in terms of AB. So I will write AB upon 2 here and whole square. If you solve this, you will get another equation. C square is equal to BC square plus AB square upon 4. Take the LCM. So it will become AC square is equal to 4 times BC square plus AB square upon 4. Multiply 4 with C square. So you will get equation number 2 here, which is 4 times C square is equal to 4 times BC square plus AB square. This is my equation number 2. Now I applied Pythagoras theorem one more time in triangle ABC. And if you apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, you will get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is my equation number 3. Now, if you add equation number 1 and 2, what you will get? You will get 4 times AD square plus 4 times C square. That means 4 times AD square plus 4 times C square. What else you will get? In equation number 1, you can see 4 times AB square. In equation number 2, you can see AB square. So 4AB square plus AB square, 5AB square. 5 times AB square. Plus, in equation number 1, here is BC square. In equation number 2, here is 4 times BC square. So if you add, it will become 5 times BC square. Take 4 common here, so 4 times AD square plus C square. If you take 5 common here, you can see AB square plus BC square. And from equation number 3, I can write AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So my final result will become 4 times AD square plus C square is equal to 5 times AC square, which is the final relation between medians and hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. What is the relation between medians and hypotenuse of right angle triangle? 4 times sum of square of medians is equal to 5 times medians, 5 times hypotenuse square, right? 4 times AD square plus C square is equal to 5 times AC square. Or we can write is that AD square plus C square upon AC square is equal to 5 upon 4. Examiner can give you this option also. Or AD square plus C square upon AC square is equal to 1.25. So all the expression should be known to you. If examiner is not giving you this option, he can give you the same expression in the form of this or the same expression in the form of this. So all the 3 expressions are same. You can take any of the expression. Okay. So examiner can give you the theorem itself, or he can make a question out of this theorem. Like he will give you the length of AD and CE, and he can ask the length of AC, or he can give you the length of AB and BC, and he can ask the length of, or he can give you the length of AB, BC, AD, and he can ask the length of AC, CE. So these type of question can be framed from this concept. Otherwise, the theorem itself is important to ask. So I hope this theorem is understood to all of you and you enjoyed today's session. And this is it for today's class. We will be meeting in the next class. Thank you.